Okay, good morning, class. How are you today? This morning, we will learn about the five improvisation rules. But first, we need to identify what is improvisation in theater. Improvisation in theater, also called improv or improv. It is a kind of theater where actors create scenes and dialogues on the spot without a script or rehearsal. But what are the five common improvisation rules? Okay, the first, let's discuss the first. Don't deny. Don't deny. When an actor doing the improve, that improves denies the act, the story goes off track. Because for improvisation, both are successful. When other actor says a lines like, let's say for example, make sure that your line is will be within the topic, or you should do this. First, hello Jillian, this is our new office. Actor 2, our new office is beautiful. Thank you, Bobby. Not like this. Actor 1, hello Jillian, this is our new office. Actor 2, this is a stage, not an office. And I'm not Jillian. So, if you will go against the storyline, improvisation will feel just to be with the moment and don't deny it. Now, let's move to number 2. The number 2 rules is don't ask open-ended question. Why? It is important to improvisation rules in theater because if questions are thrown during the improvisation, open-minded questions should be avoided. Why? This because this is the kind of question will burden the actors and answering of them. As if you're asking for an essay from the other actors, question like this: how do you see your future son? And the number 2 question is, why did you choose that answers? And etc. By presenting that question, you are no longer making an act with your partner. Instead, you are compelling your partners to do more than you work or do. It is always good to do everything through a regular conversation. Like it is better that no questioning is better. The number 3 rules is you don't have to be funny while the improvisation theater is happen. Why? Because we are all aware that forcing laughter for the audience are not only a natural gesture. It's not easy. It is also very hard to crack jokes if you're not follow with punchlines. As in improvisation actors, you should not force yourself to be funny. And you don't have to be funny occasionally. A joke will simply slip out because you are unsure how to crack it. And the audience may feel amusing because when doing a jokes, you need to be improvise that one, especially in you are not avoid talking jokes especially during the improvisation theater will happens or during presentation. Am I clear? The number 4 rule is you can look good if you make your partner look good. Why? It's because in doing the improvisation, the actors must each other on stage. You need to let your partners shine also. Like, kumbaga, hindi ka makasarili during the improvisation rules, especially in presentation in theater. Like, you give the chance to your partners to include or to improvise the rules in while performing improvisation during theater. When the conversation begins, make sure that you don't have any hidden agenda. Why? Because doing this on stage will be very obvious and the audience will observe on it. Now, let's move to number 5 rules in improvisation. Okay, realizing it is easily that you are putting your partners down. In that case, you will receive the bonus and the act will fail. In improvisation, you need to track your mind to remember it is important that you should help each other in pushing the story in a way that both of you are helping in every step of the way. Because no matter how wonderful your ideas are, if you put down your partners, they would be significant and the whole act will be go down and drain. Understood? The last one. Tell a story. Tell a story. You might think that storytelling is easy because We are used to tell her says with our neighbors. But when this discipline is put on stage, storytelling will be difficult. The true the true charm of improvisation when you notice that the actors pick up entirely arbitrary proposals and make them work. Now, what are? Since you already understood my topic this morning, can you enumerate what are the 5 rules of improvisation rules to test if you really understood my discussion this morning? Am I clear, class? Okay, now may I proceed? Goodbye, class, and watch my channel.